Hello all, welcome to another session in this course. As part of this session, I'm going to cover the next topic, that is what is selenium. So, what is selenium? Selenium is one of the popular test automation tools. Okay, so what is selenium? Selenium is one of the popular test automation tools. That means apart from selenium, we have so many other automation tools which are popular. Selenium is also one of the popular test automation tools. So what are the other automation tools which are popular like Selenium? In the market, we have other popular automation tools as Playwright. We have Cypress, Tosca, APM, Rest Assured, UFT, Test Complete, and many more. There are so many popular test automation tools available in the market, while Selenium is one of the popular test automation tools. So, at this point of time in the course, you need to understand Selenium in simple terms as Selenium is a test automation tool. Okay, at this point of time in this course, you just need to understand Selenium as a test automation tool. Later in the upcoming sessions of this course, I will describe Selenium in a better way. But at this point of time, you just need to understand it's one of the popular test automation tools in the market. And simply, you can call Selenium as a test automation tool. If someone in the outside, you have a discussion about Selenium, you generally mention Selenium as a automation tool or test automation tool in simple terms. So in the previous session, I covered, right, what an automation tool will do or how an automation tool can perform testing. Can an automation tool can think by itself? The answer is no. The first of all, in the step one, a tester will write the automation code and will input that to the automation tool like Selenium. And Selenium, by taking the help of that automation code, will run the code to perform the testing. Right? Selenium will simply utilize the code written by the tester as instructions to perform the testing and perform the testing. That's what is an automation tool. And Selenium is simply a test automation tool which can perform the testing on behalf of a real person as part of automation testing. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.